And we have with us the champion. I call him a champion because he had made it till here all by himself without any backing. And that's why, Karthik, you are a champion. You know that, right?
थैंक यू आई थिंक मुझे बस लगता है कि मैं चैम्पियन हूँ ना हूँ बट मैं अपने ड्रीम्स की तरफ बस बढ़ता जा रहा हूँ एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू अचीव देम एज मच एज पॉसिबल एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय इंटेंट इज़ आई फील कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनकी जर्नी अपनी जर्नी से मेरी जर्नी से वो रिलेट कर पाते हैं एंड आई थिंक देयर इज़ अ विन विन सिचुएशन जब कोई भी इंसान जिसको मैं नहीं जानता हूँ वो मेरी प्रेजेंस से एक स्माइल आ जाती है या एक फ़ोटो से स्माइल आ जाती है उनकी विच आई फील मेक्स मी रियली हैप्पी
You know, there are a lot of actors, you know, who come to this dream city every day to make it big. That's their dream, just like everybody else. But to actually be there, there are only few who can make it there. So, when did you, I want to know your journey where you thought कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा or you were almost going to give up and then you again got up and fought and here you are today.
I think there have been many instances जहाँ पे I've had many rejections in terms of maybe getting my first film also later on in life when my films weren't working or I didn't have options or I didn't have films. So there are instances I can't single out कि अच्छा इस time पे मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि let's not do this. मुझे actually लगा था कि सोनू के पहले सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी के पहले मेरी जर्नी में बहुत ऐसे difficult moments आ रहे थे where it was really difficult for me to sustain in Mumbai. I didn't have enough money at that time. I didn't have enough मैं उधार की ज़िंदगी जी रहा था उस टाइम टेक्निकली because of whatever reasons but the thing was I think that was the time when I used to feel low but I just didn't I never thought that I would give up on acting that was one thing which I was really which वो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से सेट थी वो चीज़ so वो I feel I used to get sad. I used to feel low. I used to feel that अरे मेरे पास films नहीं हैं या अगर what if this doesn't work. At one point I was fully invested into Sonu and I wasn't doing anything else and I at that time I really didn't like I was in a very bad phase in my life. It just happened that Sonu clicked and it became this film, this big film and which changed my life entirely. So suddenly वो मेरे लिए एक relaunch हो गया था. मुझे पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि मुझे शायद से launch film मिल गई इतने सालों में अपने career में. So I feel that was one turning point of my life.
You know, when I'm saying this because we are from a very middle class family. We come from humble backgrounds where, you know, our parents have worked really hard to put us where we are today. And from there to going and buying these luxury cars, buying a house, how do you manage your finances? How did you learn to do that? And how involved are your parents in there?
My parents are really involved. My mom is really involved in my finances and I think मैं बहुत lucky to have her in my life and my dad because they've been really supportive. Once they got the idea कि ये अब actor ही बन के रहना चाहता है, ये कुछ और नहीं करना चाहता. For a while that was also something which they were scared of. They still are. They still get scared कि अरे यार ये फिल्म नहीं चली तो क्या होगा?
आज है कल नहीं.
हाँ आज है कल नहीं. Everything is temporary. So वो उनकी वजह से मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता रहता है अरे यार कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए जो मम्मी इतना डराती रहती कई बार. तो वो चीज़ चलती है बट आई फील buying these things or you know it's just something which I never had this I don't know this obsession with you know buying cars and stuff like that. It was just that कि मुझे ना हमेशा से ये था शायद कि मैं पहली गाड़ी मेरे को लेनी पड़ी थी थर्ड हैंड कार लेनी पड़ी थी यहाँ पे जब मैं आया था और मेरे पास बिल्कुल मतलब ऐसा था कि मैं अवार्ड शोज़ में ऑटो में जा रहा हूँ या किसी से राइड ले रहा हूँ एंड सो आई हैड दिस थिंग कि मुझे ना जो भी है जब पैसा आएगा मैं कार्स खरीदूँगा and it became a thing for me and then suddenly maybe for some rebellious nature I think I just keep on buying those cars and which is not a great investment to be honest but it feels nice to have dream cars and have your dream house. Maybe the next thing is that I want to build a dream house and and I hope I could build one.
You know, we have seen a lot of physical change in you while you were making this film. We have all seen it on Instagram. But what I want to know is not the physical change, what changed internally is because everything is here, right? Even that body that you're making, you have to train your mind to make that body.
Fully.
So tell me what changed in your life.
I think it's a different me altogether. Kabir sir and Chandu Champion has really changed my life altogether in terms of not just the physicality, as you said. It's also the thinking or the point of view that I have in life, or anything to do with even जब physical changes या body changes आ रहे थे, I had to be mentally prepared in terms of I needed lots and lots of patience because उसमें time लगता है और उसके लिए and we had different body types in the film, तो वो achieve करने के लिए I had to let go of a lot of things. I had to let go of this
Your social life?
fully मतलब to next level extent, मतलब मैं बता भी नहीं सकता कि मैं I was मेरा सिर्फ या तो मैं घर पे जाता था या मैं स्विमिंग पूल में होता था या मैं जिम में या बॉक्सिंग रिंग में, और अपने घर पे सो के फिर वापस से सेम थिंग. सो फॉर 1.5-2 years दैट वाज माय एंटायर लाइफ एंड ईटिंग द सेम फूड डे एंड नाइट. इट वाज जस्ट दैट. लाइक अगर मैं रात को एक तरीके का सूप पी रहा हूँ तो वही सूप है पूरे 2 साल वही पिया हूँ. सो इट्स बिन दैट फॉर चंदू चैंपियन. So I have been completely zoned in, and that's something to do with the kind of responsibility also that I had. And ये character portray करने के लिए वो हर तरीके से, in fact with the scenes, with the body, emotionally, physically, हर चीज़ में मुझे वो उस zone में रहना था. With blinkers, I had to be on and in that zone. So no social life. नो पार्टीज़, नो नथिंग. वैसे भी मैं पार्टीज़ नहीं करता था इतना, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बाहर ही नहीं जाता था. 10:30-11 बजे लाइट्स ऑफ, सुबह वापस जिम जाना. सो दैट वाज माय एंटायर थिंग, एंटायर रूटीन फॉर दीज 2 years.
What did you miss the most during this time?
Initially, I used to miss sweets, मिठाई, ice cream, burgers, pizza, सब खाना miss बहुत करता था. But eventually, it got to a point where I started liking it in a way, where I was seeing the results, and धीरे I was liking the fact that, this is unhealthy food. I shouldn't be eating that. I think वो एक lifestyle का पूरा change हो गया, and everything, just small things like calories का मैंने कभी counting नहीं किया था लाइफ में. मैं अभी पूरे टाइम काउंट करता रहता हूँ, या अभी भी वही चलता रहता है. So it's just something I got obsessed with also in a way, but in a very good way.
And because Kabir is also very fit.
अरे बहुत
I mean,
शुरू में
when
तो
you're
मुझे
working with him, you have no option, right?
You have no option because he was also on some diet, and then he was also doing the same things. He used to do pull-ups in front of me, and I used to think, अरे यार ये तो पूरा proper pull-up मार रहे हैं.
तो मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, मुझे भी करना पड़ेगा. अभी मेरा डायरेक्टर है. मुझे भी करना पड़ जाएगा.
Karthik, we saw you launched the trailer of Chandu Champion in Gwalior, where you are from, and seeing your father on stage, your parents have seen your journey in these 2 years. So seeing you finally on screen, what was their reaction?
It was really emotional. My dad was there at the trailer launch, so he was really emotional. तो वो थोड़ा सा एक because we were all overwhelmed over there. जहाँ से because I had started my journey over there, and it was just life coming to that full circle kind of a thing, and I just couldn't believe it that we were launching the trailer over there where I dreamt of becoming an actor. And so yeah, I don't know how to explain it in words, but it was just too much to take in, and I couldn't say anything also during that launch. I was just out of words, out of the kind of love that all of us were getting over there. Suddenly it just felt nice, and just something which is unique. I still can't put it in words and explain it, but you get the feel. I mean, it's just it is what it is. अब मैंने वहाँ से सपना देखा था और वहाँ पे जब इतने लोग मिलने आए, द वे दे वर शावरिंग लव, द काइंड ऑफ पोस्टर्स के साथ वो जब सेल्फी ले रहे थे, जब पोस्टर्स के सामने जब एक मेरा इमेज है वहाँ पे, जहाँ बहुत बड़ा एक लाइफ साइज पोस्टर था, द बॉक्सिंग पोस्टर, एंड उसके सामने मैं खड़ा था विथ एवरीवन अराउंड. I got really emotional at that point because I could feel that energy from them, that they were really proud and they were really happy of the fact that I could make it in some way.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Karthik, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.